How to create a board on Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a board within Pinterest. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to pinterest.com. Then you are going to connect or sign into your account. This is the first step. Then you are going to see the feed. Here I am going to let you see the method for the two types of account. We have here the business account. As you can see here, I have the business hub on this account, and also I'm going to let you see the method on the normal account, which is a personal account. Like here you can also convert it to business, and here we have it. Now let's go ahead and start with the normal account. Here we have two choices. Either we go right here to create, click on create, and then we are going to select a pin that we want to post. Make the title of the pin. For example, here we have Miele, like that. Miele, Rosemary, Mary, like that. This is Rose, not Swore. Rosemary, hair care, for example, and you are going to let this on the description. You are going to add, for example, a link for your post if you are making some commissions. And here we have the most important part. Here we have boards. As you can see right here, I have no boards. You can go ahead and click right here, create board. Simply click on this, name that board. I'm going to put, for example, hair care. You can go ahead and create it and make it public, or you can also make this board secret. You can enable this case or check this case. Keep this board secret, so only you and collaborators can see it. I'm going to make it public right here, and it will publish or show you the board. I'm going to publish this. Then I'm going to simply go view, and here we have the let's see, here we have the product. I'm going right here to the home, and we can go ahead and see the boards on our profile. You can see here we have the profile, we have the pins, and here we have the hair care board. It is the board, it is named hair care. You can organize it or get more ideas. From here you can go ahead and add or pin this to the board that you have. When you click on pin, it will be added to the hair care board that we have created. For example, this one is very similar to our product. And then we are going to see here on the board we have the pins, and also you can go ahead and organize the select and reorganize. You can select all. For example, you can move them, create a new section on that board, or delete them. This is for the first method. And now we have the method which is going to the profile directly. This is for the personal profile. When you see here the profile, we have here a plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, as you can see, we have a create button. We can create a pin or a board. When you click on board, here we have the name of the board to put. I'm going to put right here. Let's go and take for a skin care routine. I'm going to put this board. Here we have the collaborators that you have added to your account. If you have, you can go ahead and put the name of them. For example, put any collaborators. It will show up the initials or the account that you have, for example, on this board. Then you are going to simply click on create. it will save here, save some pins to your new board. You can go ahead and save whatever pin that you have. For example, this one, that one, and this one. Click on done, and you have here the skincare routine board. You can add some collaborators here, and we have also the option to add more ideas or more pins, and also we can organize. That was for the personal account on Pinterest. A little disclaimer, guys: everything created in this video, such as accounts, phone numbers and addresses, emails, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. So you have to set the account or your own account to make everything works well. Now let's go back to the professional account or the business account. As you can see here, we have the home feed, we have the business hub. When you want to create the board, for example, we click on the profile, it will not show you here the plus sign that we've had before on the normal profile. As you can see, it has not here the plus sign. So where you are going to find this, simply you are going to click on Pinterest, the Pinterest logo, click on create a organic pin, create a pin, and simply you are going to select the file or the photo that you want to post, add a title. For example, let's say here Meal Rosemary Skin or Hair Care, a description, and here we have the board. I have already created 2 boards with this account. All you have to do is to click on a create board again. Put, for example, here, I'm going to put here care. We have the option to keep it secret or a secret board, so the collaborators will only see that and you. Click on create, and here we have the boards. It will let you see the choice of boards that you have created, and here we have it. And finally click on publish, and everything will be published. We have here the product, we have everything. It is set, and that was all. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.